Facebook business page tutorial. Let's go.
So this is my Facebook business page here. I'm going to show you and walk you through setting up your own one. Why would you want to have one? Because it is a fantastic place for visitors and people on the internet to find out your contact information, your website details, your location of your shop. You're also going to need it if you want to do advertising with your business and connect to your Instagram page. Useful for posting and creating content on Instagram. Content creation on Facebook itself is basically dead. You're not going to get any organic growth there anymore, but it is going to be a fantastic place for you running adverts and a great place for people to come and see who you are, find out about you, find your contact information, see social proof through likes, that's still a big thing, and reviews on your Facebook page. You can even run your shops directly through it and do sales through Facebook without having people to leave Facebook. So there's a lot of benefits to running your shop and your businesses through Facebook. The only downside is nowadays is you cannot do content creation and expect any results unless you already have a significant following. Okay, let's get going. First, you're going to go up to the menu thing here at the top and you're going to go create page. Here we are on a create page. Right, stick in the name of the page. We're going to create a new business. Ethan's Hats. Mighty Hats. Mighty Hats. Yeah. Category, hat, shop. Oh, look, there is a hat shop directly. You want to find out, type in your other e-commerce. We can do e-commerce, website, boom. You can put in your own category. It'd be helpful for people just to understand who you are. I make awesome handmade hats. And you can add in more into your description in my dungeon. That is not how you spell dungeon. Dungeon. What would we do without spell check? They have dragons on. Cast dragons are awesome. Whatever you want to put in your description, probably something to tell people why they would want to do business with you. Excellent. Create the page and your create will be created in a moment. Oh, there we go. It is created. Right. Next, you're going to add a profile picture. I'm going to just use the one from me here. My profile picture. Yeah, because I love rock and roll. Got me Ethan there. I'm going to add a cover photo. I'm just going to use the cover photo that I've got on my own page. You can create your own. Canva is a fantastic resource for creating your own cover photos. If you don't know how to use Photoshop, stick that in and it'll come up here. Boom. And if you can view it on mobile, they look great. And click save. Boom. Here we are in our Facebook page, and then we just want to go through the rest of the steps to continue setting it up. Establish a page identity, add a profile picture. We kind of just did that, but it doesn't seem to have set, so just click save again, and that is finished that step. Next, created a page name. All of these are completed. Next steps, provide a website. If you need a website, I do web design. A little promo for me. You can check it out here at https. Putting your own website here, but this is my website, ethantalk.com/web design. Boom. And save that. It'll come up now on your website. If you want help with your website, making you an awesome website, I can help you out with that. Just send me a message, go to my website, send me a message, or on YouTube here, or on Instagram, and or an email, and we can create you an awesome website. Okay, next is location. If you want to add a location in here, if you have an address that people come to your shop with, you stick that in there. Very useful for people finding you. I often use this to find local businesses. I don't have one for this shop, but if you did, just stick it in there. Very useful. Add hours that you're using. You can do always open, or you can use selected hours. This is fantastic if you work from midnight until 2 a.m. just for, those night owls. The people on staff, foxes and that, who only operate at night, if you're one of those crazy businesses. Or if you work like a normal person between 9 a.m. or, where's 9 a.m.? Oh, there is no 9 a.m. The morning is gone. Here we go. 9 a.m. till 5. You stick those in here. But it could just go always open, especially if you're just an online shop. Add a phone number. If you have a phone number for your shop, fantastic. People will want to call you because some people still haven't figured out that you can just send a Facebook message and then we don't have to do awkward phone conversations. Because who doesn't know how to text in these days? But like, it is very useful, and being able to call pages is very, very useful for a lot of people, and they will want to do that. So make sure you put one in if you have that for your business. Connect on WhatsApp. Some people are doing businesses through WhatsApp, and if you have that and your phone is connected to WhatsApp, you just stick that in there, connect with the phone on your WhatsApp, and it will allow people to connect through WhatsApp to you, because WhatsApp is owned by Facebook as well. Add a button. This is the most important one here. You want to do shop now or sign up or play a video game. I don't know why there'll be, if you've created a mobile game or mobile app game, and you can send people to your game to play. Book now, call us, contact us, whichever one you want to do. If you're a shop, do shop now, obviously, and then stick in your website again, Ethan talk.com. So yeah, https promo again. If you need a website, I can help you out on that. Save. I make awesome websites. Now, location not included. Introduce yourself. If you want to invite your friends, click on that, or you can do that later. Skip the mark to complete. Create a welcome post. Definitely recommend doing that. Hello, welcome to my hat shop page post. And now you have a post on your page. Very useful. And that's all of the basic setups done. We have all of your information down here. And what we can do is now view this as yourself. Boom. So now we see this as a visitor. And if you click shop now, it will bring you to the website like that, Woo, websites. Need help with your web design? Another promo. This is getting too many promos, but I keep on clicking they want you to go to website. So great excuse for me to plug myself. Yeah, need a website. I can help you out. There again, send a message and you'll get this here, blah, 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 blah. Like standard things, you can message them as well. Very useful. Okay. Go back to your page manager, the page owner. Over here, you're going to have the way that you can manage and interact the page. So first you have the news feeds. If you like and connect to other pages, all of your standard Facebook feeds would come up here. Say we follow that news and BBC News for some reason, and whatever these are, and then they should come up if we refresh. There we go. So we get the BBC News, great. And got a complete Muppet there, more like an entertainment show. And back to our page. Then we can have newsfeeds inbox. This is where people send you the messages, which you will see now here. And we received the message from ourselves. Can I check if the item is available? And then you can reply to the people just like that, using that language. Exactly. Don't use English, only use gibberish. That is how you do really good business, is you don't talk to them in a language they understand. If you've got your Instagram page connected, you can send your messages to your anybody sending you messages on Instagram here. No need to use your Instagram account. Very, very useful. You can get your comments from Facebook and your comments from Instagram, and you can reply to those as well here. Very useful for doing all of that. It makes it so much more streamlined, and in case you miss comments and stuff when you're just navigating the normal ways. Yeah, even on the inbox as well, you can have automated responses. This is going to be useful. You can have all of your FAQ stuff in here, and you may want to use those. It's like a robot, to help you with your... Here, you can have in robots questions, and it will help you get... So you don't have to spend all the time in the messages. You can have them all done for you here. Business apps, if you have like e-commerce and you're selling through one of the e-commerce platforms, you can use them here, like WooCommerce. You can stick it in there and you can sell directly through your Facebook page, so people don't even have to go to your website to buy from you. And you can have scheduling and appointments. Very useful if you've got those in there. Resources and tools. This is like help for your business. If you need help for understanding certain things about your business, Facebook is actually pretty good in giving you advice on how to do lots of different types of business. A lot of it's about COVID at the moment, but definitely recommend checking out and reading through those if you need help with your business stuff. Notifications is where people will come and any of your comments and your likes will come into your notifications. You may want to check those out from time to time. Insights, when you have traffic and data, you're going to get insights about your page. It's going to be useful for your marketing. You will need them at some point when you have people on your page. Very useful. And these are all the different types of insights that you can look into. How many likes you've got, how much reach your page got. Again, very useful. If you're running ads, you're not going to really be using your ads here. You're going to be using your ads in the Facebook Business Manager, in the Ads Manager, and you'll see all of the data there. But maybe if you want to look at an overview, you check it here. But for the most part, you're going to use your Ads Manager for running ads. Don't be using running ads from here. Page equality, this means if your page's got any violations or anything bad, then Facebook is judging your page, so you better make sure you're above the board, be squeaky clean, because Facebook doesn't like and will punish pages it doesn't like, and you won't be able to do adverts and stuff like that and they won't show your posts to anybody, etc. if you have violations. So make sure any violations you have, you do resolve them, and then you can even contact people if you have issues with that as well on Facebook. So for editing your page, you want to put in a username here, Ethan's Mighty Hats. This will then be your @ and no save. I mean, it missed auto. It's not eligible. No way. Ethan Mighty Hat. No way. Somebody else has got a shop called Ethan's Mighty Hats. No way. I didn't realize it was that popular. Mighty Giant Hats. Oh, this page isn't eligible to have a username. Well, when you are eligible, I think you may need to have like 10 likes or something like that on your page, and then you will be able to put in your username, and that gives you your @ and it'll be facebook.com/your page name. Very useful for keeping that branded on point. All this other information you may want to put in, how much you are, super expensive, attached to your Instagram account, all these other accounts you can also attach to YouTubes if you've got the YouTubes. And then we go into settings, and we're not going to go through all of these because there's a good bazillion of them, but it's going to be useful for you to say, if you want to turn off swearing on your posts, and this will stop anybody from being able to swear and keeping your brand image intact. And there's so many different things. Age restrictions, only for 18 and over, so you don't have any children coming across your page. If you're selling like alcohol or something like that, you may want to have an age restriction. And there's many settings that you can change. You will go and find them out for when you specifically need them. For the most part, you're just going to keep the standard things and go back to the page, and that is basically the entire thing done. So we can, we missed one step, 12 out of 13. It doesn't like that. Connect to WhatsApp. We can skip that for now. There we go, finished. Nice. We are done. So yeah, boosting your post, if you want to boost your post. Oh, there's one thing I didn't show you, which is publishing tools here. Publishing tools. It's going to be useful just for this one thing here. Like, obviously you can schedule posts and stuff, but I'd recommend using your Creative Studio. But you may want to get your post IDs. You're going to use that for advertising. If you want to send a load of traffic and a load of different targeting to a single post and drive a load of traffic to one post, you would want to get your post ID, and you're going to use that in your advert to send traffic to a single post. You may want to use that when you're doing advertising. Instead of using the boost post under the tag, under the post, that is a very poor way of advertising. You want to copy that the ID of the post, and then in your ads manager you can use when you're putting in your creative, you can paste in that ID, and it will use your post as the creative of your ad, and then you drive a huge amount of traffic to that one post, and it's a much better way of advertising. So you may want to come across those, so your post IDs at some point. So yeah, that's the basics of it done. You can then start creating content for your page, mainly for advertising, get some likes going, get some reviews going, because once you have those reviews in here, it's going to make a massive difference. Events. And I think that was everything we needed to discuss. Ad Center, we're not doing that. We've done all of this. Yes. Okay, excellent. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And we're done.
Hopefully that was helpful. Subscribe for more and have a fabulous day. Ethan out.